Jury selection is at least halfway through the first step in Brunswick. Prosecutors and defense lawyers have agreed on 32 potential jurors.
And once they get to 64, they'll pick 12 jurors and then 4 alternates from that pool. 3 white men are charged with murder and the death of a black man, 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery. Kaylee Tracy is on your side following the process since it began last week, and she joins us from the courthouse with the latest.
Contentious in the courtroom. That's how day 6 of jury selection started. The judge heard motions this morning, one by William Roddy Bryan's attorney, Kevin Goff, asking the judge to restrict access around the courthouse and on the courthouse grounds to demonstrators who he said could influence the potential jurors. Goff specifically brought up the Transformative Justice Coalition and its banner. It's a group that has been demonstrating outside the courthouse throughout jury selection. Goff said it looks like, quote, a very innocent tent by a civil rights group to promote voting rights, but it turns out to be something different and more sinister. The judge at one point told Goff to lower his tone. The state argued there's no evidence that the potential jurors saw those demonstrations. The Transformative Justice Coalition and Arbery's father say the motion is absurd.
I'm a lawyer. I'm barred in 2 jurisdictions. I've been in front of numerous courthouses where you've actually had people on both sides demonstrating at federal courthouses. In fact, the Supreme Court of the United States is one of the most popular demonstration spots in the nation. So how in the world can you tell people that they can't exercise their First Amendment rights to be heard?
The judge denied that motion, saying he won't limit First Amendment rights. Goff also argued this morning that the Arbery family attorney, Lee Merritt, some of his social media posts and interviews have been meant to intimidate jurors. Lee Merritt responded on Twitter, calling the motion nonsensical. Reporting in Brunswick, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.
Kaylee, thank you so much for all of that. Our coverage continues on firstcoastnews.com. Also on our First Coast News app, it includes answers potential jurors are giving to questions from both sides. Plus, we have been and will continue streaming the entire trial from gavel to gavel.